All right, everybody, this is HOOTIE right here, Bakersfield, California, Hart Park. Let's drop in. Remember, ride with your skill and not your ego. I say it over and over and over. Let's go. This little berm right here, I used to take it wide and I would always be unsuccessful. So now I started cutting it short. Boom. Thank you, Jesus. You are gonna slide out, but it's doable. So remember, on that wide berm, don't take it wide, but cut it short. Here comes another little sketchy section right here. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you. All right, here we go. Remember, just because you went through the hard part doesn't mean it's over. There's still some areas right here where you can wash out very easily. But here we go. Remember to ride with the conditions. Every ride is different. Sometimes you're feeling it, sometimes you're not. Just go with your gut feeling. Try not to push it. Yeah, we all push it sometimes, and sometimes we pay the price for it. And there's always little features on the trails. The more you ride, the more you'll notice, right? HOOTIE, Bakersfield, California, Hart Park. I'd probably label this more towards the intermediate part, not so much a beginner. It's doable if you ride your brakes, but just be ready for a ride and be ready for some adrenaline. I could be going faster, but it's been a while since I've actually hit this trail, so more of a confidence building phase right now. All right, everybody, that was HOOTIE, Hart Park, Bakersfield, California.